In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Microsoft Edge homepage to Google on a Windows 10 device. This is a quick and easy process that ensures Google loads automatically every time you open your browser. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the three dots. This is the Settings and More menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Start, Home, and New tabs. This section allows you to control what happens when Edge starts up. Next, under the On Startup section, choose Open these pages or Open custom sites, depending on your version. You'll now see an option to add a site. Click on it and type in google.com. Then click Add to save your changes. That's it. Your Edge homepage is now set to Google. Whenever you launch Microsoft Edge, it will open directly to Google's homepage. But let's take it one step further. If you want Google to be your default search engine as well, here's how. While still in Settings, click on Privacy, Search and Services in the left-hand panel. Scroll down and find the address bar and search option. Click it, and under Search Engine used in the address bar, select Google from the drop-down menu. And you're done. You've now set both your homepage and your default search engine to Google, creating a smooth, personalized browsing experience every time you open Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more quick and easy tech tips.